So hello everyone और ये रहा आज का Vprople का question. Find the weekdays. Though it's a easy question, but till now I guess only 50 or 60 submissions have been done for this question. But still, let me first explain this question. I won't read this question. I'll explain it. See, according to the input format, they'll be providing you with a date. Okay, with a date and the corresponding day for that date. For example, if it is, see over here, for example, if it is given that 16th of the month is Wednesday, okay, so they are going to provide you 16 as well as this Wednesday. Okay, and then they'll be asking you, then tell me what is the day for, what is 25th, what is the day for 25th. Okay, that is what they're going to ask you in this question. See, in this first line you have to take the value of n, that is nothing but the date, and then corresponding day. And one more thing which you have to notice over here is the days are not written like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all those things. They are represented with integers. 0 indicates Sunday, 1 indicates Monday, and so on. Okay, so here they'll be giving you some number. Okay, for example, if this is Wednesday, so then they are gonna give you 1, 2, I guess 3. Okay, so here they are going to provide you 3. Here you will be having 16, and here you will be having 25. Now you have to figure it out. What will be the day for 25th of that particular month? And one more thing you have to notice is that the month is not gonna be changed. Okay, it's not gonna be changed. It's gonna be the same month. Okay, so and yeah, output format is you have to just print a single line in which you have to tell whether it is a Monday, Friday, or Saturday. Okay, you have to tell, you have to show, you have to write Monday, Friday, Saturday, something like that. Okay, you can't write 0, 1, 2, or 3. Okay, so it's an easy question. Let's directly move to the code. Yeah, this is the code. It's written by Utkarsh. Okay, so see, what he have basically done is he have first created a dictionary over here. Okay, dictionary. The key is 0 and the value is Sunday. Key is 1, then Monday. Okay, this is the key value pair which he have created. And then here we are taking the input. See, N, M, and K. Here we will be having 16 for example. Okay, I'm just telling this for example. And then here we will be having, suppose if it's Wednesday, right? So let it be 3. See, Wednesday 3 corresponds to Wednesday. Okay, so that's why here we will be having 3. And then in place of K, suppose the user have given 25. Now what we'll be doing? Let me tell you. Let me first comment this so that here I'll be explaining you. Yeah, now see, what we'll be doing is, see over here what I've written K minus N. What does this means? It means I'm doing 25 minus 16, which is equals to 9. Okay, which is equals to 9. Now what I'm doing, I'm dividing this 9 with 7, and see, okay, in place of this I can write 9. Okay, now I'm dividing this 9 with 7 and collecting the remainder. Okay, so suppose this is 9, right? 9 percentage 7 gives you what? Gives you 2. Okay, that is the remainder which you'll be getting by dividing 9 by 7. And now what we are doing is we are adding 2 by 7, 2 by this m, 2 by 3, which gives 2 plus, oh sorry, over here I should write 2 plus 3, which gives you 5. Now why I am adding 2 and the value of m? Let me tell you. See, right now value of m is 3. Okay, and that is Wednesday. Now if I will be adding 2 in it, then what I'll be getting? I'll be getting 5, which corresponds to Friday. Okay, so it's very much clear with this that for on 25th it's gonna be Friday. That is why I'm adding this by 2. Okay, I'm adding 3 by 2. I'll be getting 5, and directly I'll be checking. See, in this dictionary I'll be finding out what is the value for the key as 5. Okay, so for key as 5 the value is Friday, hence Friday is the answer. But then you'll be thinking, why have I done this plus 7 over here? Okay, you might think. So let me tell you why. Now suppose here, let us take some other input. Okay, suppose it's 29 over here and it's 2 over here. Okay, now then what will happen? See, what will I be doing? I'll be doing 29 minus 2, which will be equals to 27, right? Now 27 percentage 7 gives you what? It gives you 4 as the remainder. Okay, now yeah, let me change this also. Let me do this, write this as 5. Okay, wait a minute, 5. Now see what will happen. Now what I have to do after doing this much, what I have to do, I have to add this much of value with m. That means I have to add this with 5. Okay, I'll be adding 4 with 5 which will be equals to 9. Now if I search for this 9 in this dictionary, then it's not available, right? It's not available. So for that, what I have to do, I have to divide this by 7 and collect the remainder. Okay, now see, if I'll be dividing this with by 7, what will be the remainder which I'll be getting? I'll be getting 2 as the remainder, and for 2 it symbolizes to Tuesday, hence Tuesday will be the day on 29th of that month. If on 2nd it's Friday. Okay, this is why I have written percentage 7 over here. Okay, you can cross check it with some random inputs. Okay, you will be getting the correct answer only. So this is the entire code. I guess it might take some time for understanding this part, but let me tell you, all the submissions which I have got till now from other participants, they all have used almost the same logic. Okay, this is the most common logic used by most of the participants. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.